Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I am going to start the topic multiplication of fractions because I have already explained you about addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. But yes, I got one comment for question number 2, option number E, that one student has not understood that particular option. So I am explaining that option again. So the students who have not understood, please watch it again. So this is a query. This is the only query which I got today. So जितनी कम query होगी, that means उतनी ही अच्छे से सबको समझ में आया है. So the E option was 11, 7 upon 13 minus 2, 3 upon 13. Right? यही था आपका क्वेश्चन. अब आप क्या करेंगे? As you all can see that both the denominators are same. That means these fractions are like fraction, but they are written in mixed form. तो आप क्या करेंगे? Firstly you will convert this into an improper fraction. So 13 multiplied by 11. जब आप 11 को 13 से multiply करेंगे आएगा 143. 143 plus 7 upon 13 minus 13 2s are 26 and 26 plus 3 is 29. So 29 upon 13. Now 143 में जब आप 7 ऐड करेंगे it will be 150 upon 13 minus 29 upon 13. So as you all can see that the denominator is same. So we can retain it. Same denominator आप लिखेंगे 150 minus 29. Now you have to subtract 29 from 150. 0 minus 9 is not possible. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 is going to become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 121 upon 13. But yes, the fractions were mixed fractions. So we have to change the answer also into a mixed fraction. तो 121 upon 13 का mixed fraction आप कैसे लिखेंगे? For example, you don't know how to convert directly. तो आप क्या करेंगे? You have to divide. आप क्या करेंगे? You will divide 121 by 13. Okay? And we all know that 13 9s are 117. Okay? 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 13 9s are 117. Now can we subtract it? 11 minus 7 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 11 minus 7 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So how it will be written in the form of mixed fraction? The remainder becomes the numerator. The divisor becomes the whole part and the quotient becomes the whole part and the divisor becomes the denominator. So this is the answer of option number E, question number 2. So I hope that student have understood. So student, now I am going to explain you about multiplication of fractions. So for that I have to rub this board. So let's begin with multiplication of fractions. How do we multiply fractions? What happens when we are multiplying the fractions? To multiply the fractions we need to follow certain steps. ठीक है? कुछ steps आपको follow करने होते हैं. आपको क्या करना है? If there are two fractions, for example a by b multiplied by c upon d, तो आप क्या करेंगे? Multiply both the numerators, दोनों numerators को और दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय c, b मल्टीप्लाइड बाय d. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द न्यूमरेटर्स एंड देन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर्स. उसके बाद जो आपका आंसर आएगा ac अपॉन bd, इफ इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म देन यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. और अगर कोई फ्रैक्शन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में दिया होगा तो what you have to do? Firstly, convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction before multiplying it. Multiply करने से पहले आपको improper fraction को mixed fraction को improper fraction में change करना होगा. Only then you can multiply. Then second step will be to multiply the numerator. Third step to multiply the denominator. Fourth step will be to reduce it. Reduce the fraction into simplest form. What we have to do? We have to convert the product of the numerator and the product of the denominator into its simplest form. Now how do we convert this into the simplest form? I have already explained you about that. मैंने आपको इसके बारे में पहले भी समझाया है. For example, there is a particular fraction 3/7 and this is 4/12. Now what we have to do? We have to reduce this fractions into its simplest form. How do we proceed? हम लोग पहले क्या करेंगे? Firstly we will multiply the numerators. 3 4s are 12 and 12 7s are 84. 12 7s are 84. Now what we have to do? We have to reduce this product, the product of the numerators and the product of the denominator into its simplest form. हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि वो reduce हो सकता है या नहीं reduce हो सकता. तो आप इसको reduce करेंगे और how will you reduce that? 12 1s are and 12 7s are 84. So it is reduced to 1/7. आप अगर यहाँ से reduce करना चाहते हैं, what does simplification means? Now what is simplification? जब आप multiplication of fractions करेंगे तो you will get the questions like simplification as we have got in addition and subtraction also. So 3/7 multiplied by 4/12. जब भी आप simplification करते हैं किसी भी fraction का, the one thing which you need to keep in your mind is that आप numerator और denominator same table से reduce करेंगे. जैसे कि आप ये भी न्यूमरेटर है, ये भी डिनोमिनेटर है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आप इसको और इसको साथ में रिड्यूस करेंगे. आप इस न्यूमरेटर को और इस डिनोमिनेटर को भी रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अगर हो रहा है. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो रिड्यूस दिस न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस डिनोमिनेटर अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो जैसे कि मैं आपको यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. सो आई हैव रिड्यूस्ड दिस न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस डिनोमिनेटर फ्रॉम द टेबल ऑफ 3. सेम टेबल से होगा ऊपर और नीचे दोनों. Now 4 1s are 4 1s are. It got cancelled. Now what is left over here? 1/7. So this is how we used to multiply the fractions. And in multiplication, there is no need to make the denominator same. There is no need to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. So this is how we proceed in multiplication. Now I will be taking some more examples जिससे कि आपको ये multiplication का concept अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए. सो दैट यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई एनी फ्रैक्शन गिवन टू यू, एनी नंबर, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ही ना आए मल्टीप्लाई करने में. सो आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दैट. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स. सो what we have to do? If we have got one example, multiply 2/7 to 9/14. So what we have to do? We have to multiply both the fractions. So the first step will be, if there is any mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. But as you all can see that there is no mixed fraction. Okay. So now what is the second step? I have explained you few minutes ago. So I want your reply in the comment section. What is the second step? दूसरा step क्या होगा? The second step will be multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Multiply the denominators. Now what is the third step? Please tell me. So the third step was to multiply the first step was to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction if there is any mixed fraction. तो यहाँ पे mixed fraction नहीं था तो first step हम लोगों को नहीं करना. Now coming to the second step, multiply the numerators. We have done. Now the third step is multiply the denominators. Now what is the fourth step? Please pause the video and whosoever is watching, please reply to me in the comment section because I have already explained you about the fourth step. So the fourth step was to reduce the fraction into simplest form. So we have to check can we reduce it or not. So 2 1s are 2 7s are. See, I have done one numerator, one denominator. Now 9 and 7 cannot be reduced. So 9/49 will be the answer. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन हम लोग तब तक रिड्यूस करेंगे जब तक उसके न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का HCF 1 ना हो जाए. HCF 1 मीन्स अब 9 और 49 का 1 के अलावा कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. दे डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर कॉमन फैक्टर अपार्ट फ्रॉम 1. क्लियर? सो वी हैव टू रिड्यूस अप टू दैट एक्सटेंट. ओनली देन द फ्रैक्शन विल बी रिड्यूस्ड इनटू इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. I hope it is clear. Now some of the word problems also come about multiplication. Since it is a concept based video, so I am taking examples to explain you, and these examples you don't have to do in your classwork copy में नहीं करने आपको ये. Okay, so if there is a question like that, 2 3 upon 8, find the product. Product also means what does product means? Please reply to me in the comment section. Product means multiplication. So we have to find out the product of 2 3 upon 8 with 5 upon 20, right? अब हम लोगों को इसका प्रोडक्ट जो है निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इनटू improper fraction. So 8 2s are 16 and 16 plus 3 is 19 upon 8. Now the second step is to multiply the numerators. So I am multiplying the numerators, and the third step is to multiply the denominator. Now the last step is to convert the fraction to its simplest form. Okay, so I am going to reduce it. 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. Now it cannot be reduced further. 19 upon 32. Both are not having any other common factor apart from 1. So that is the simplest form of this product. Okay. Now one fact I want to tell you is that whenever you are multiplying any fraction, for example you are multiplying 6 upon 12 by 0, the answer is 0. So we all know that whenever we are multiplying, whether it is a fraction, whether it is a number, whether it is an integer. Now integer is something different. You will get to know in your next class, that is class 6. You will be having chapter integers. So whenever you are multiplying 0 with any number, किसी भी नंबर से 0 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका आंसर 0 ही आएगा. But if you are adding 0 to a particular number, what will be the answer? Adding 0 to a particular number, what is the answer? Please reply to me in the comment section. I hope everybody will reply. The answer is the number itself. Okay. So अगर if there are so many fractions given to you, ये तो यहाँ पे 2 fractions की बात हो रही थी, आप product निकाल रहे थे. अगर आपको more than 2 fractions are given to you, then how will you find out the product? I think it is a little bit complicated for you for the first time, but yes, I am explaining it to you. If we are having 3 upon 7, 8 upon 9, 9 upon 21 and 4 upon 5, and we have to multiply all these 4 fractions, then how will we do that? So the first step is that there is no mixed fraction, तो first step तो है ही नहीं. Now second step, multiply the numerators. आप क्या करेंगे, सभी fractions को लिख देंगे one by one and you will put the multiplication sign in between them. सबके बीच में multiplication sign. So now the second step and the third step is followed over here only. The numerators are multiplied and the denominators are also multiplied. This single multiplication sign signifies the multiplication between the numerator also and the multiplication between the denominators also. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to check whether can we simplify it. क्या इसको हम लोग simplify कर सकते हैं? तो आप देखेंगे 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator, ऐसे ही आपको simplify करना है. तो 9 1s are 9 1s are, 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator. Now again we have to check, can it be further simplified? check करेंगे तो 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका ये पहला फ्रैक्शन है तो आप तीसरा आप रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते, तीसरे का डिनोमिनेटर. ऑल आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, यू कैन रिड्यूस इट फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो. अगर हेयर रिड्यूस हो सकता है तो आप वहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं. राइट. नाउ कैन इट बी फर्दर रिड्यूस्ड? प्लीज चेक एंड टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. कैन वी फर्दर रिड्यूस दिस product of the fractions? No, it cannot be further reduced because 8 and 5 do not have any other common factor apart from 1. 4 और 7 का भी 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है, तो it cannot be further reduced. Now 1 multiplied 8 is 8. Whenever we are multiplying any number by 1, 1 is the multiplicative identity. आप किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो यू गेट द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, आपको वही सेम नंबर मिल जाता है. तो 1 1 1 उससे आपकी वैल्यू पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. 8 4s are 32. राइट. सो न्यूमरेटर का प्रोडक्ट हो गया आपका 32. कमिंग टू द डिनोमिनेटर्स, 7 5s are 35. या तो आप यहाँ से शुरू करिए, 7 7s are 49, 49 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 9 ज़ा 45, 5 4 ज़ा 20, 20 प्लस 4 245. नाउ 32 एंड 245 कैन नॉट बी रिड्यूस्ड. ये रिड्यूस नहीं हो सकते. दे डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर कॉमन फैक्टर अपार्ट फ्रॉम 1. सो दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म of the product of these four rational numbers. So I hope sorry not rational numbers, fractions. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि हम लोग fractions को कैसे multiply करते हैं. Now coming to some questions from the exercise, but before proceeding to that I want to tell you a fact. The word fraction actually comes from the Latin word fractio. Fractio के Latin word से fraction term बना है. फ्रैक्शियो इज अ लैटिन वर्ड. ठीक है, तो फ्रैक्शियो का मतलब क्या होता है? टू ब्रेक. क्या होता है फ्रैक्शियो का मतलब? टू ब्रेक. सो दिस इज अ फैक्ट. दिस वाज अ फैक्ट जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती थी. इट इज गिवन इन योर मैथ्स बुक ऑल्सो. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 5C दैट आर बेस्ड ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, सो लेट मी रब दैट. So students, question number 1 is solve the following exercise 5C. Question number 1, option number 1. It is 5 upon 8 multiplied by 32 upon 45. Okay, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 32 upon 45. So now we have to check whether we can reduce it or not. हम लोग इसको reduce कर सकते हैं या नहीं. तो as you all can see that 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator. 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So now we have reduced it to 4 upon 9. I hope it is clear, students. If you have understood, please reply to me in the comment section. Now the B option, 12 upon 35 multiplied by 7 upon 20. Now we have to check that whether we can reduce it or not. So as you all can see that 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now coming to this one, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Now 3 and 5 do not have any other common factor apart from 1. That means 5 5s are 25. See, we have multiplied the reduced denominators. Reduce होने के बाद 5 denominator यहाँ था और यहाँ पे भी 5 था. So we have multiplied that. So the answer is 3 upon 25. Clear, students? Now coming to option number C. So option number C is 15 upon 18 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Clear? So we have to check that we can reduce it or not. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Now 3 and 6 can also be reduced. इसको भी हम reduce कर सकते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again I am explaining it to you. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. यहाँ पे आपका 3 हो गया. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. 3 upon 6 बचा था आपका. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what is the answer? Answer is 1 upon 2. So I hope you must have understood option number C also. Now coming to option number D. So option number D is 7 upon 12 multiplied by 4. Okay, 7 upon 12 multiplied by 4. Since 4 is not having any denominator, जब भी किसी fraction के नीचे denominator नहीं होता, by default I am going to consider 1 as the denominator. Clear? I hope I have explained this earlier also कि 1 हम लोग क्यों consider करते हैं. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are. So what is the answer of this question? 7 upon 3. So that's all for today. There are so many options, but yes, I don't want to give you a lot of burden. So I will be solving those options in my next video. If you have understood it, please like the video. Thank you students. Have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.